just to be able to go to the store and pick up whatever you want and not, you know, tell your child, listen here, when I go to shop, no ask for nothing, no pick up nothing, no even look for nothing. Come in now, get it. That's because, honestly, we don't want to feel embarrassed that our kid is asking for something and we ain't got the money for that. It's either broccoli or sweets. And sweets equal dentist. So it's going to be the broccoli for me. Okay. What's going on, friend? Famalaaay. It's been a minute. I had to take a little 2 months off, okay? And it's just like needed. Okay, it was just needed. All right, now I don't even know what we're gonna talk about today, but I know the type of drawing I got today. Okay, get your palettes ready, girl. Okay, get your water, girl. Okay, make our chat. You ready? Grab your whitest concealer, all right, and we're gonna get into this mind. Okay, the mind of this Pisces girl. Okay, whoever's watching this. All right, how y'all been? To my 17 subscribers, yes, girl, we got 17. It might not be 100,000, girl, but I'm thankful for my 17. Okay, to all of you, thank you so much. Okay, you guys are why I do this. Okay, well, kinda. I just really like art, so thanks for coming along for the ride. All right, now let's get into this painting, shall we? Okay, so grab your color palette, all right, whichever one that you got, girl, okay? And you might need a few brushes. My daughter said that she wanted me to do a beach drawing, so, you know, I had to look up something, okay? And just, you know, give the princess what she asked for, all right? Now, how y'all been? How this pandemic been treating y'all? Y'all right? You okay? You good? Like, we're gonna start off with the blue, all right? We're gonna start off with the lightest blue that you got, all right? And let's get into it. Now, I've been seeing the government, you know, different government officials, they're like saying that nobody's having kids like, you know, like we used to. But then I'm seeing that, you know, this, the jab is supposed to, you know, curve that, okay? So it's supposed to like, what do you do to cats and dogs when you don't want them to, like, you know, produce? You know what I'm saying? So, like, how could you guys be complaining about, you know, people not having no kids, but allegedly, you know, this jab is supposed to, you know, curve that. Like, you're gonna be like neutered and stuff. I'm just saying, you know what I mean? Make it make sense for me. Just okay, back to the colors. People aren't having kids like they used to because, like, things have changed. For one, we appreciate our freedom more now. Like, you know, our grandmammy and them, you know, they were a different type of breed of people. Like, you know, having 12 and 13 kids. Ain't nobody about that life right now. Ain't nobody about that life right now, girl. Like, just having 3 kids seems like I should be put in the Ripley's, you know, believe it or not, book. Because having 3 kids is a lot. Now, that's like having 12 kids back in the day. That's this and that. Alright, and what's not going to basically encourage people to have more kids is the fact that there ain't no jobs. So if you're not innovative and you're not creative to make a job, you know, to go out there and make that shmoney, you're gonna be barefoot and pregnant and hungry. Probably out on the street because you can't pay rent. You know what I'm saying? Okay, well, I'm just saying, girl. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to make it make sense for the people out there that is in the government seats. Yeah, that's what we're thinking. Okay, that's too much. That's too much, girl. Okay, we have enough to worry about with diseases and whatever. Like, what if your kid catches a disease? You know what I mean? Like, that's a lot for a parent to think about. You know, and where's that money gonna come from to look after said kid? Do you get where I'm going with this? You know, more money mean more babies. Okay, like, you know, Like, just to be able to go to the store and pick up whatever you want and not, you know, tell your child, listen here, when I go to shop, no ask for nothing, no pick up nothing, no even look for nothing. Come in now, get it. That's because, honestly, we don't want to feel embarrassed that our kid is asking for something and we ain't got the money for that. It's either broccoli or sweets. And sweets equal dentist. So it's going to be the broccoli for me. Okay. Government officials don't really understand that because, you know, they're making the money. So they're just wondering, like, why, you know, are the youths of today not, you know, engaging in more activities? Well, we are engaging in activities, but we are, you know, the pull-out game is on point. Okay, or, you know, you gotta get that Trojan girl, okay? Yeah, this is the only Trojan horse that we accept in this house. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to put the government up on game, okay? I know y'all know what we know, but y'all acting stupid. But it's okay. We the people hereby solemnly swear to not do what y'all say at all. Because the last time we did that, we were in jail for like almost 2 years in our houses. So, you know, having more kids is a no-no. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of straying from the point. Let's get back to this paint. Let's go in with some orange, okay? Let's go with some orange. And you can put that right up in there. Right up in there. Okay, and blend like your life depends on it. And a little red all up in there. Okay, yes. Don't be scared of the colors, okay? They're more scared of you than you should be of them. Girl, it's just... All right, guys. So this is the final look. All right, and you gotta do. You gotta do. A little rough, but you gotta do. All right. So like I was saying before, all of this, like, okay, don't be rushed into having kids. Okay, children are a blessing, but they're not a blessing on your pocket if you don't got that money. Okay, like you can always, you know, breastfeed instead of using formula, but if you're working, like, you know, and just want to exclusively breastfeed, that's gonna be another thing, girl. So don't let nobody force you, you know, or pressure you into having a child, especially if you are not there where you need to be mentally, not just financially, but mentally. If you're not there, take your time, baby. Take your time. Okay. All right. Now, keep on your grind. Okay. Don't waste no time. All right. And I will see you next time. Hey, that's a play on words, baby. That's a play on words. Okay. All right. See you guys in the next one. Later.